Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we're going to call out the names of the winners of the SMZ watch face and Roma. And I know guys, you're looking at me, you thinking you don't know who I am. I am Huck from Huck's World. We had to cut it all off again. You know what happened. I don't have to tell you, but listen, we'll get past it, right? But we're going to call out the names. We want to get you in. We want to get you out. We do want to thank SMZ and Roma for the donation of all the watch faces that are about to be given away today. We appreciate them in the door, and I want to thank you all for participating as well in the giveaway. And for those of you all who don't get your name called, the only way that you can get a free watch face code is to comment in the comment section down below on all the videos. Cool? And with that, let's go ahead. Let's get this over with. We're going to start off with SMZ, and we got 7 winners in all. We got Jackie. We got Kryptonia. Congratulations, ladies. We also got Scott Norris. We got Robert Norblit. We got Adrian. We got OZ Bell. And we got Super Hoffman. Congratulations, you guys. I got all your emails, so you don't have to email me. I will send you the watch face code. Congratulations again to the U.S. Now, for Roma, we got them for pretty much all countries that normally comment in the comment section down below on most of the videos. We're going to start off with the U.S. It's going to be congratulations to Sean Roberts. For Denmark, Jan, you're a winner again. It seems like you're going to always be a winner, not unless we get somebody else from Denmark that starts to comment in the comment section down below. Now, for the U.K., we got David Tolbert. Congratulations, David. For Canada, we got Steve Jordan. Steve Jordan, you're the lucky winner from your area. And also for India, we got Raj. Congratulations to all you all. And again, thank you for participating in the giveaway. We got more to come. We got more watch face reviews as well. Make sure you comment in the comment section down below for opportunity to win. And also, and make sure you hit the like button when you do, okay? Now, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. We got more giveaways to come. And with that, people, I'm out of here. I got to get ready for the Monday grind, and I'm quite sure you do too. Enjoy the rest of your night, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.